Hello lovely flowers, thanks again for watching. If you're new here, thanks for watching and welcome to the flower gang. I'm just kidding, just welcome, and make sure you subscribe, okay, so you can get notifications of my videos, because sometimes I do giveaways for the products that I sell. Put them over there where I'm pointing my fingers. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a packaging video. So here's my plan. Every time I get a package, whether it's 2 packages or 3 packages, I'm going to do a video on it so I can show you guys how I package them and also how I send them off. I usually print out my labels at home, but my computer's not working, so I'm going to have to go to the post office and manually write them down and pay for them and all that boring process. But here's the video of me packaging my orders or people's orders. If you did order something for me, I'm going to do a shout out, so shout out to you. Keep on watching the videos so you can look out for your name, or hear your name I should say. Yeah, so I'm going to get the video started. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can get my videos, okay? Thank you. Alright guys, here's my inventory. I'm going to take out what people ordered and I'm going to package it on camera and then drop it off at the postal office. Since my computer is not working, I'm not able to print out my labels at home. So we'll go ahead and drop them off together. I have 4 orders to fulfill, so I'll go ahead and take care of that. And then we'll go over to the office together. Yay! Alright guys, let's go and ship these orders. Ship them. These are my business cards. I usually write a personal note in the back, so I'll go ahead and do that later. Actually, 1 second. Alright, so I fold them like this. I used to have a bow that I used to tie them on, but I don't have that bowl right now, so fold them like this, and then I put them in a clear plastic bag. My hands feel a little bit. There, and then the next one, beautiful purple one. A lot of people are buying this one. This is my most sold item. So how you guys been? How you guys been doing with all this COVID-19 thing going on? Did you start any side hustle during this hard time? You know? And this last one, my favorite one of them all. Isn't this beautiful? Gold on the inside. And then look at these colors. Look at these colors. Anyways, as I was saying, did you guys start any side hustles to make extra bucks while you're in quarantine, or you're just relaxing and taking it as a vacation time? Let me know in the comment. So these are the cards. I'm just gonna write some personal notes to it. Forgot where I put my pen. I usually use a purple pen because that's my color. Shoot, I forgot where my purple pens are. Oh, there it is. My purples. So I'm gonna go ahead and write some personal notes. Sorry guys, this is gonna take just a minute. See? Alright guys, I'm done with my notes. There it is. Now I'm just gonna I'm going to put them in a bubble mailer. That's all I have for now. I don't really have the regular mailer, so I'm using the bubble mailers until they are done. So one by one, I'm gonna put the little notes, thank you notes / business cards. Gonna seal the bag. So they're out. I'm gonna do the one that I'm doing the giveaway first. This is a giveaway, by the way. Someone won on a giveaway. Shout out to Jocelyn for watching my videos and participating in my giveaway. That won't be the last giveaway. I'm probably gonna do more giveaways soon. Oops. Make sure you watch my videos, guys, and share and subscribe and support your girl, because she's trying to make a penny out here. Thanks for supporting. Back there so I can close you up. Alright. We are done. Today we only had 5 packages to fulfill. Well, 4 if you're not including the giveaway package. I won't include that one. So we'll make it just 4 packages to fulfill today. Go ahead and put all the packages that. Woo. This one is the giveaway. All right. And we are done. We are going to the UPS. Or you peeped the time there? I'm late, so. There it is. Taking the package to the UPS. Hey guys, I just got done delivering your items. You should be receiving them within 3 business days. So let me know how you like your bonnets. So that'll be all for the video. Thanks again for watching. Bon voyage!